Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Following yesterday's strong close to U.S. equities and mild follow-through buying in the futures today, European and Asia-Pacific equities are also expanding their gains. Europe's Stoxx 600 has been rising for the fourth straight session, and it is now at its highest level in 3 weeks. The U.S. dollar is still offered ahead of today's CPI report. The majority of European currencies outperform the dollar bloc, and the greenback remains within yesterday's range against yen. The upper end of yesterday's range is slightly firmer for gold. The December WTI is also at the upper end yesterday's range, a little under $88, ahead of the OPEC+. Asian Pacific market. More talk has been made about intervention after the threats from Japanese officials. Japan is the only G7 nation that continues to pursue quantitative easing. It is also the only G7 country projected to have a higher fiscal deficit in 2020 than 2021. The dollar pulled back more broadly in conjunction with Japan's verbal intervention. Today marks the fourth consecutive session of lower greenback highs. The Australian dollar is trading in a narrow range. It is currently consolidating below $0 and 6,910 cents. Another half-cent gain could be possible if the price moves above 0.6920. Initial support can be seen at 0.6860. Market of Europe. The swaps market was almost 100% confident that the ECB would raise 75 bp next month before the weekend. Now, the confidence is at 60%. This is despite Bundesbank President Navel's hawkish remarks over the weekend. Other ECB officials confirmed plans to raise rates at the upcoming meetings, although not necessarily in such large numbers. Although the euro trades with a stronger bias, it is still below yesterday's high. According to the International Labour Organization, UK unemployment dropped unexpectedly from 3.8% to 3.6% between July and July. The government data, however, shows that this was due to a 194,000 decrease in the workforce. Yesterday, sterling was stuck near its 20-day moving mean, but today it has risen to $1.01,730. Market of America. The U.S. CPI report today and the preliminary September consumer confidence and inflation forecasts from the University of Michigan are the two most important data points before next week's FOMC meeting. The Canadian dollar is one of the most sensitive major currencies to U.S. equity fluctuations. It has rallied strongly over the past 4 sessions. This was the best quarter for U.S. stocks. Below CAD on 3,000, the U.S. dollar has dropped. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.